The repeat presidential election was free, fair and transparent, and low voter turnout is not a basis for invalidation, the Supreme Court has said. Chief Justice David Maraga led 6 judges in giving details of their declaration that President Uhuru Kenyatta was duly elected. Maraga said they upheld the October 26 poll as it met the constitutional threshold and that Uhuru was declared winner in line with Article 138(4) of the Constitution. The law states, "A candidate shall be declared elected as president if the candidate receives a. more than half of all the votes cast in the election, and b. at least 25% of the votes cast in each of more than half of the counties." Uhuru won 98% of total votes cast, after a turnout of 38.84%, after his arch-rival Raila Odinga withdrew from the election. In explaining the free and fair election, Maraga noted petitioners wanted the victory declared null and void because of an environment they said was not conducive. The petitioners claimed there was widespread violence sponsored by the state and intimidation by state agencies. They also claimed some citizens blocked others from exercising their democratic right of casting the ballot, he said. But he noted their analysis of submissions found DEB conducted the election in accordance with the law and reported that no voters were turned away as was claimed. An election cannot be tainted solely because of low voter turnout. We must consider voter fatigue and many other factors. The low voter turnout was common knowledge. It was politically tinted, so this was not sufficient for the nullification of the election. He said the political angle meant political solutions were needed, not the court's intervention. The court earlier said Raila's pullout had no impact as it was mere intention. After the Supreme Court's determination, Uhuru and Deputy President William Ruto were sworn in on November 28. The top court also said 2 key petitions against Uhuru's win were dismissed as they lacked merit and that each party would bear its own costs. The petitions were by former Kalom MP Haranwa and Chairman Njomui, International Commission of Jurists, and Clef Khalifa, Muslims for Human Rights.